Hi, good morning, Mr. Bitkart. My name is Manish. I'm co-founder of Bitkart. I'm standing in the studio. Behind the camera is Mr. Williams, who's going to build your computer right now. Quickly, I'll run through the component that you've chosen and the component that we have modified for you. This is your build, right? You've chosen a cabinet NVXT 510 black flow. Right? This is the black cabinet. This is the processor. 12th generation 12700K i7. This is the power supply, and you can clearly see this is the MSI. This is the motherboard B660 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. DDR4, no need to add a Wi-Fi in this. Here are the two RAMs. Corsair 8 gigs into 3200 MHz. This is the SSD M.2 NVMe 980 500 GB, right? This is a stock cooler master RGB, right? And this is the cabinet. And what else? Now, I think we've given you this gigabyte graphic card 3060 Ti instead of MSI. The total cost enhancement would be about 5,000, but I promised I'll give you some juicy prices. So now it comes to 146,800. That means we have enhanced only 3,800 rupees as against 5,000 rupees. We are giving you a better graphic card with a 3 fan. I hope you like the live access of the PC, and Mr. William is going to make this PC for you. And thank you so much for placing an order at Bitkart. If you have any doubt, please give us a call. Have a nice day.